Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can permanently delete your Snapchat account on your device. So what I need to do is go to on Snapchat. After going to on Snapchat, you have to click on your profile. Okay, after clicking on your profile, you have to remember your username and your password. This is so important, it will need it after right now. So what you need to do is click on the settings option. Just make sure you watch the full video to delete your Snapchat account. Otherwise, you will miss some points. So let's continue the video. What you need to do is find the support option and you have to click on I need help. You have to find this option I need help. After finding this option, clicking on this option, you have to click on the search bar like that. Then you have to type delete my account. Delete my account. Okay. After searching this, you can see here is an option. How do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account? You have to click on the first option right here. After clicking on this, so here is an important point. If you are using an Android, you have to click on the top option right there here. Or if you are using an Apple device, you have to click on the second option right here. So I am currently using an Android device. That's why I am going to click on this. After clicking on this, you will find a login option that recommend you to type your username and your password to log in. You put your username and your password like here, then you can find this page. Okay, I am already logged in, that's why I directly land on this page. So what you need to do next after login, you need to click on this delete my account. You can find this. Then this is the last stage of your deletion of your Snapchat account. What you need to do is type your username password, then username and password, then you can click on continue. After clicking on continue, your Snapchat will be delete or removed for permanently. So this is how you can delete or remove your Snapchat permanently. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment and leave a like on this video. Subscribe this channel, please.